Toys DIY and other stuff. My name is Amber Meeks. I have Ezzy and Gabby with me today. We are going to unbox a special box that I had made for my niece from the Heroes Tower. The name of the box is Genshin Impact. She loves this game. I asked him if he could make me the box. He said he sure could. So without further ado, let's see what we got. Okay guys, the girls just got done swimming, so that's why their hair's still a little bit wet, but here's the box, our bag or tissue wrap, whatever you want to call it. I've had this for a little while now, but I haven't been able to open it because my niece wasn't available. She's going to be in the background telling me what everything is. She does not want to be on camera, so let's open it up. Alrighty, so we got bubble wrap here. Gonna open this up. I don't have my usual setup because I'm at my sister's house, so bear with me guys. The girls are gonna help me hold stuff so that it doesn't all fall apart. So hold this for me, and I'm gonna grab this. You got it all? Okay, so we're gonna start with whatever's in here. And he included some other games as well, including the Genshin Impact and some other games as well. So this is Overwatch. I am familiar with that. I think this is what is this? I'm not sure what this is. Is it a magnet or a bookmark? I'm not really sure. But here it is. It's very cool. So hopefully she likes that.
Who likes it?
Can you hold that for me? Alrighty. This is for Kiana. Okay, so now we have this. I'm not sure who this is either. Kiana?
That is Paimon. She is one of the main characters in Genshin Impact.
Did you hear that? What's her name? Paimon?
Paimon.
This is Paimon. She's one of the main characters in Genshin Impact. So that is held the wrong way. Here you go. That's a keychain. This is a great unboxing, guys. This is awesome. All right, so that's a super cool keychain. I'm sure that she'll like that. Here you go. Hold that for me, please. And then we have a pin.
That's Venti.
Venti is on the pin here. That is very cool. So you could probably put this on a purse or a bag or something like that. So that would be nice. All right. And then we have this.
That's Zhongli.
Zhongli. Well, check out Zhongli. There you go. There's that one. And that's another pin. You can go ahead and put them in here. Gabby?
All of them are this?
Yeah, just everything was in there, so you can put it all back in there. Okay, hold the baggie for me. Okay, very good. All right, let's go ahead and see what is in this thing. Ooh, wow. Well, hey now. We're getting some good facial reactions back here.
What's that?
That is cool. It looks like it's a backpack of some sort. And it's got like the whole thing of whatever this Genshin Impact thing is. This is very cool. This is one of those drawstring backpacks. Looks like it's the same on both sides. You just like pull it together. Well, hold on. There we go. Sorry guys. Like this. Cinch it together and then it would just, go over your back like so. I can try and do that for you. But yeah, super cute. You're not going to really see it, but yeah, that's cool, right? I love the bag. That is awesome. We'll go ahead and sit that right there. And we got some more stuff in this little thing. It looks like we're going to get a lanyard.
It's Minecraft.
Oh, this is Minecraft. Oh, this is Minecraft. He did say, like I said, it was going to include some other things that she might like. And she mentioned that she liked this. So we have a Minecraft lanyard. That's cool. Here you go, sweetie.
Okay.
And then this, I don't know. Do you know what that is? Oh, he just lost his, whatever this is.
This is a great unboxing. That's Tracer from Overwatch.
Tracer from Overwatch. So this is a cool little keychain. You know what I do when I get these things like this so that they don't fall out since it's a keychain? I take some super glue or E6000 glue and you just glue these little things into there and then they don't come out and they stay in place. You don't have to worry about losing them if you have this on your keychain. So that is really cute. There you go. What do we have next? Ooh. Ooh. I'll take this if you don't want it.
What is it?
So, it looks like we have a Superman postcard. I Love it.
Oh, yeah, you
Superman
can do
postcard. So I get to have that. It also came with the stamp. He always includes the stamp so that you can send a geeky hello to somebody. And then this is a coffee cup koozie, and I'm not sure what the star represents.
Pretty sure it's from Mario.
She's saying it's from Mario.
Oh, yeah, it is.
I was thinking it was from the games that we're talking about, guys. Sorry about that. So this is from CS Cozy Stitching. They have an Etsy store. I've mentioned them in other videos, but they do have an Etsy store. When I checked last time, they didn't have very much on there, but I'm sure if you message the owner, maybe they will be able to custom make something for you like this if you're interested. Okay, then we've got all kinds of fun stickers in here, guys. Let's go ahead. Don't fall, sweetie. Let's go ahead and see what types of stickers we have. So I don't know if she can see from that far back, but here's the sticker. Clee, whoever that is. So there's that sticker. And then we have this one.
Lisa.
That's cool. And then we have this one.
Paimon.
And slime. Okay. Then we got these two.
D-Luke and Kaya. They're brothers.
Okay, then there's this one.
Mona Magistus.
Mona Magistus. You can
She's
tell
an
I know
astrologist.
She's an astrologist. They have, what is the word? The thing that I'm thinking, like they're specialists in their fields and stuff. Awesome. Okay.
That's Paimon and the taco.
Because that's, normal. All right.
Well, there's an ongoing joke in the game where she's emergency food, so that kind of makes sense. That's also Paimon.
This is also Paimon. What is she in this time? She's just herself.
Yeah, just herself.
She doesn't have any food. Well, that doesn't fit. Okay, then we got this one.
That's Amber and Baron Bunny.
Amber and Baron Bunny? I didn't know I was...
Baron Bunny.
Baron Bunny?
Bunny.
But the other one's Amber.
Yeah.
I didn't know I was part of this. That is so cool. I had no idea they named a character after me. All right, so then we got this one.
Zhongling.
Alrighty, dighty. Then there's this one here.
That's Klee.
How would you even know what these things are? Okay.
It's a fun game.
Then there's this one here.
Klee. She is a fire book user.
A fire book
That's
user.
the best way I can explain it.
There's this one.
Amber and Baron Bunny again.
Which one's Amber?
The girl, not the...
The girl?
Yeah.
So this is Amber. They got my skin tone wrong. I don't know why they got it wrong, but there you go. Then there's this one.
Kaya and D-Luke.
D-Luke
is the red hair, Kaya is the blue hair.
Now see, Kaya has more of my skin tone, so maybe they just named them wrong or something. Okay, so here's this one. D-Luke. All right, so that takes care of all the stickers, which are all super, very cool. Let me go ahead and put them back in the little baggie here so we don't lose them. Okay, so this is Overwatch. Oh, this is cool. So these are blind sticker packs. I'm not going to open them, but that is very cool. She is definitely an Overwatch fan too. And then this is also another sticker pack from Overwatch. So we'll have to see what things are in there when they open them. And the last thing is this World of Warcraft comic book.
Oh, wow. I didn't know they had that.
She's pretty excited about that. So there you go. I hope you guys can see it. Hopefully it's not getting very much glare. So that was my specialized Genshin Impact box that I got from the Heroes Tower. Guys, the Heroes Tower can be found on Cratejoy. I'll have a link in the description box below. They have a plethora of options, but if you want something specific, just ask him if he has it or if he can do it, and he will try to do that for you. All right, guys, that's all I got for you in this video, and I'll catch you in my next one. Say bye, girls.
Bye.
Bye.
Here you go, Amber. Alright. Make sure you go brush your hair really quick.
I know.
Yeah, just brush your hair because I'm sure your mom will
There's
want.
baking powder on it for like the floor.
Nobody will be able to see that.
Yeah, nobody.
Oh my gosh, I'm recording. I don't even know how to pronounce the name.
Genshin Impact.
Genshin Impact. That is the name of the game. So we're going to unbox this box that... Hey! Get that off of there!